doing, I need to take a backup of my table along the structure and my data. Then there is command called as CTA as. Now, what is this CTA as is very important as a data engineer, because many times whenever we are doing any manipulation of data, we will not go directly into the table and manipulate, because if there is any effect on top of that table, you will be losing your data. We have to always take a backup. So we'll do like create table, and we'll give a table name. Let's say Amazon product backup. I say as select star from my table. What CTA as is nothing but create table as, you give a table name as, and you're using select query. Now under this select query can be anything based on your requirement. You want only 3 columns, 4 columns. I want to only take that as a backup. I want to only select few records. Based on that, I need to take a backup. We can give any of the select query here, but I want to do and create a backup table on top of my table. I'll go and say something, create table. My table name has select star from whatever the table you have, whatever the table you want to take as a backup. I'll go and do this. Now if you come and see, there are 2 tables have been created. One is Amazon backup table, another is normal table. If I come and copy this, you'll be able to go and see all the data. Okay, fine. This is fine, but I don't want to go and bring my data. I just want to create a structure. Based on that, I'm doing certain operation. Okay, I want to just create a structure. Your table, this particular one table, might have hundreds of columns. Now, is it feasible to go? Okay, I'll copy this. I'll do this all things. Okay, one, two. Okay, it's not allowing. It is not allowing to copy. That's fine. One, column 2, column 2. Can I go and say create table 2, create table 2, table 2, and can I go and create all 100 columns again? Can you do that? Do you guys understanding my question? What is my requirement? Now, in the same way, you can go and give here condition where 1 equal to 2. Now, is it a true condition or false condition?
It's a false condition.
False. 2 and go and create this table. Come here. You see, only structure is created, but not a data. Are you good? Are you good till now? Are we good till now? This is a very important operation we do. Fine. Now, I created a structure, but I wanted to add few records. I missed that. Now I have 1 million records. Will you go and, for example, this is my table. Consider this particular table only. I have this many number of records. Will you take this and all, keep inside your insert statement, insert into values, and you go and keep all this 1 million record. Is it a good way practice to do that? If you have 1 million record, will you copy this and say insert into my table? Now Amazon product 2, I should have inserted this particular and say values, and I'll go and put all my data here one by one. I'll put, okay, this is something like this. I'll put, this should have been quotes. I'll put that. Will you copy this? Is it a good practice to do?
No.
Okay.
No.
At that time, you already have a table structure. I want to copy a data from already existing table to my table. I'll say insert into whatever my table name, that is backup to. And since since all the structure is same, but we have to give our column name, whatever the column name is there. Come back here, I'll bring this particular column name. I'll take this particular column name.
If there are hundreds of columns, we have to give all 100 column names.
Yeah, I'll say insert into, I'll say select star from Amazon product. I think it will work like this also. Okay, insert into my particular table. I'll just select star from whatever the table is. And now structure of these two tables should be same. You cannot say this is 5 table, this is 5 columns, and this is 10 column. You go and say it will not copy. Okay, I went at 13 rows are affected. I'm saying insert into my second table. The data is coming from my another table. I'll go and run my data. Now, sir, this particular products too now. I'll be able to bring all that data in one go. Are we good? Are we good?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So far, we saw how to manipulate our data. DML commands we saw. DDL commands we saw. We saw how to do CTAS. And we saw how to dynamically bring insert data from different tables. We saw how to handle our null while doing manipulation of data. Not completely, there are still more few things we'll see in the future class, but now while updating things or while deleting things, how we can filter a data, we saw that. And we saw something called as OR and condition. Fine.